the 2017 BMW i3. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.